Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here again. Welcome to the 8th lecture of Class 5 English. The chapter name is A World in the Wall. If you may recall, we were just reading. We just finished reading of this chapter before the vacation ever started. So it is advised that you read the chapter before solving the words meaning here and dictation. And if when you are reading, look for this word like bulbous, dawdling, intricate, phobia, repercussion, and rotown and scuttle, and mark them for dictation. And here the words meaning will be solved on your neat notebooks. Open your notebooks and prepare pages with the heading vacation homework, margin lines, and neat handwriting and proper date. Now for the words meanings. Bulbous here means fat, dawdling means being slow, intricate means complicated, phobia means extreme fear, and repercussion means outcome or result. You can learn only one meaning. Round means large or plump, and scuttle means hasty step. Now these words meaning and the dictation words are also written on the given sheets. If you don't understand my handwriting, so copy them from here, or you can copy them from this video here. And that was today's assignment. Until next video,